In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for coding in 2026. If you're a beginner, student, developer, or someone learning programming, Grok AI can help you understand code, find errors, generate examples, and work through programming problems. First, open the official Grok website or supported Grok application and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Grok, start a new conversation and describe the coding task you want help with. For example, you can ask Grok to create a simple HTML page, write a Python script, explain JavaScript code, or help you understand a programming concept. When writing your prompt, be as specific as possible. Mention the programming language, what you want the code to do, and any requirements or limitations you have. After sending the prompt, Grok will generate a response. Read through the code and make sure you understand what it is doing before using it in your project. If you already have code that isn't working, paste the relevant section into Grok and explain what problem you're experiencing. You can ask Grok to identify the error and explain how to fix it. You can also ask Grok to explain code line by line. This can be especially useful if you're learning programming and want to understand why a particular solution works. If the first solution doesn't work, provide the error message and additional details about your environment. Then ask Grok to revise the solution. For larger projects, it's better to work on one problem at a time instead of asking the AI to build everything at once. This makes it easier to test each part and identify problems. Before using generated code in a real application, test it carefully. AI-generated code can contain bugs, security issues, or incorrect assumptions. You should also avoid sharing passwords, API keys, private credentials, or other sensitive information in your prompts.